Okay, how's it going, everyone? My name is George, and today I'm going to be showing you how to revert, aka untrim, a YouTube video using editor. So let's say you trim the video, um, and then you realize you made a mistake, and you trimmed the part you didn't want to trim, or something went wrong, and you want to bring it back to its original state, the way you posted it first on YouTube. So first, you go to your channel. Once you're here, go to YouTube Studio, find videos and pick the video you want to revert. So let's go with this one. All right, once you're here, go to editor. Okay, and now it's very simple. You just find the little note, the music thing, press on the expand, go to audio. All right, once you're here, you will find revert to original. It will be on the right, like under studio will be right here. Press this, and then this action will restore your video to its original state, including any copyright claims. No. All right, so this basically will bring the video back to its original state when you first posted it on YouTube. So if you trimmed a lot of parts, and only one small part is what you didn't like, unfortunately, it will untrim everything and take it back to its original, so you would have to redo it. But that's how it's done. Then you just press save, and it will take some time. If you go back to your video and check, it will be yeah, it will be like this. It will be a screen that's dark and says video is being processed. Please check back later. And once that's done, which takes about 10 minutes, then your video will be back to its original state. And that's it. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.